Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. My name is Surendra. Today we are going to see a brief introduction to Python programming language. So before jumping on to Selenium and how the Selenium with Python will work, we should have a basic idea on a Python programming language so that we can use this syntax and we can write down our Selenium code. So learning Python is the most important thing. So let us start with a basic introduction to Python. So Python is very simple programming language. So even if you are new to the programming, you can learn easily without facing any issues. So if you are new to your programming, for sake, if you are from a non-IT background and you don't have any idea on a programming language, it's easy for everyone to learn Python without facing any issues. The main features of this Python are readable, easy to learn, open source, cross-platform, and we have large standard library and even efficient memory management. Okay, so these are all the various features of Python which makes it more and more powerful. So let us start with a simple example of readable. So Python is a very readable language. So usually everyone can simply understand the syntaxes and they can follow it. And the second thing is easy to learn. Learning Python is easy as this is expressive and a high level language so that anyone without having any background of a programming skills they can easily understand and learn this programming language. And the next one is it's an open source tool. Open source means anyone can download this Python for free of cost and they can use it in their projects. And it supports cross platform. Python is available and it can be run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, and Unix. These are all the various operating systems it supports. So, which makes it most portable and compatible language for different operating systems. And the next one, the features out over here is large standard library. What exactly it means? Python comes with a large standard library that has some handy codes and functions which we can use while writing our code in Python. So it has some standard set of libraries available. We can simply reuse those libraries and we can use it in our automation world. So we will see moving further what exactly is the standard library and how we are going to use that particular one. Okay, so these are all the various features which makes Python more and more powerful. Good enough. So usually a simple question will rise in our mind. What can you do with this Python? Right? So what exactly the ultimate objective of this Python? You may be wondering what are all the applications does the Python supports? We can do web development, we can do machine learning, data analysis, scripting, game development, and even the desktop applications also we can develop using Python. So as it is an open source tool, it has these many features. Majority of the people are using this particular programming language, and of course we are using the same programming language for our automation testing. So before jumping on to automation testing, first of all, you should know, right, how to create a variable in Python, how to define a class in a Python and all those things. And prior to that, first of all, we need to know whether Python is installed in our machine or not. We have to cross check. So in the next video, we are going to see how to install and configure Python in your machine. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.